Hello, my dear students. For CBSE 2025 12th Mathematics exam preparation, here we are going to discuss the sample question paper of 2024-25, some important questions. And today's question is based on types of function, assertion, reason. In this question, we have to given the assertion, the function f is from r minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2 where n belongs to z to r open interval minus 1 1 defined by fx is equal to secant x is not 1 1 and onto function, and the reason is the line y is equal to 2 meet the graph of the function more than one point. We have to check both assertion reason are true or any one of is false, or reason is correct explanation of assertion. So in this type of question, we should know the graph of secant x function. Even that, we should know one of the very important concept, that is all the trigonometric functions are not 1 1 and onto. Till that, we not apply any restriction on the domain. जब तक हम डोमेन पे कोई रेस्ट्रिक्शन अप्लाई नहीं करेंगे, टिल दैट दे विल नॉट 1 1 एंड ऑन टू फंक्शन. तो यहाँ पर आप बहुत इजीली चेक कर सकते हैं, दैट इज द ग्राफ ऑफ secant x function. When we will draw the graph of secant x function, that are the coordinate axis, y axis, x axis, and this is dotted line denote pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, where secant x function is not defined, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी डोमेन में डिफाइन है r माइनस 2n प्लस 1 पाई बाई 2. जब आप इसका ग्राफ r माइनस 1 to 1 में आप इसको ड्रॉ करेंगे, देन दिस ग्राफ विल बी दैट इज द 1 and that is between pi by 2 to minus pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. This one is till 2 pi, this one is pi, this one is 0, and here between minus pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, this is the value on pi, this is minus 1 और 1 के बीच में तो ग्राफ ड्रॉ ही नहीं होगा. तो दिस इज द रेस्ट्रिक्टेड पार्ट बिटवीन minus 1 to 1 जहां पर ग्राफ ड्रॉ नहीं होगा. एंड हियर वी हैव minus 2 pi. तो ये तो हो गया secant x का ग्राफ. तो आपको secant x की ग्राफ की नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. ओके, देन लाइन y इज इक्वल टू 2. व्हेन यू विल ड्रॉ लाइन y इज इक्वल टू 2, ये हमने लाइन y इज इक्वल टू 2 ड्रॉ कर दी यहाँ पर. then we can see very easily that line y is equal to 2. Cut the graph more than one point. Line y is equal to 2. Cut the graph more than one point. And this is the relation between the types of function and the graph, कि एक horizontal line है, वो ग्राफ को more than one point पे intersect करती है, then this will not one one function, this is many one function. So जो यहाँ पर रीजन गिवन है, that is y line y is equal to meet the graph of the function more than one point, yes. And assertion आपको गिवन है, that is not 1 1 and onto function, this is also correct. So they both are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So here in the last we can write down the answer, that is I think ये option number A आता है, that is A and R both are true, and R, that is the reason, is correct explanation of assertion. So in this question we should know these two concept. कौन कौन से concept? That is graph of कोई भी function का ग्राफ है, यदि कोई horizontal line ग्राफ को more than one point पे intersect करती है, then it is not one one function. And also all the trigonometric functions, sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, secant of x, cosecant of x, these all are not one one and onto function जब तक इनके डोमेन पे कोई रेस्ट्रिक्शन अप्लाई नहीं करे. आई थिंक यू अंडरस्टूड दिस असर्शन एंड रीजन क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन टाइप्स ऑफ फंक्शन. इस टाइप के और भी क्वेश्चंस समझने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें वी आर मैथमेटिक्स अकेडमी को. थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स.